how to add background effect to your photo using AI on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, S23 FE. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the gallery app. Select any photo. We want to add background effect. Here we select this photo. Make sure your Samsung device running the latest One UI 6.1 Android 14 to use this feature. Now tap the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Tap the details. Now here you can find different options: live effect, erase shadow, erase reflections, background effect and remaster. Tap the background effect. Now you can see different effects. Blur. Here you can change the blur position like this. Tap again. Here you can see artistic. Next you can see studio. Here you can see high key mono. You can increase or decrease the like this. Increase or decrease the effect strength. At the next you can find the low key mono option like this. Increase or decrease. Set the background effect you want to set. At the next you can say backdrop like this. And next is the color point. Next is the spin. So you can see different zoom. This is the last background effect you want to apply to your photo. Zoom effect. So this is all available background effect you can add to your photo on your Samsung S24 FE and other Samsung device running the latest version. That's it. Please like it, share it.